She won 10 USA national championships in these 3 different events. At the age of 15, she competed in the finals of the javelin throw at the 1952 Helsinki Olympics. And on record, she is the youngest Olympic javelin thrower in the history of the U.S. Other international competition followed, including 1955, the Pan American Games in Mexico City, and the 1959 Pan American Games in Chicago, where she won the silver in the javelin and the bronze in the discus. In 1956, she threw the discus and made the finals of the javelin at the Melbourne Olympics, and in 1958, she represented the U.S. in the javelin in the dual meets with USSR, Poland, Hungary, Greece, in Europe, and in 1959 in Philadelphia with the USSR. Marjorie credited her success with the help of encouragement and support from her parents, Leo and Margaret, Larnie, her coach, Sergeant P. Brennan, and Professor Ellen Normatz. Without further ado, please welcome Marjorie Larnie.